Explore Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong kocongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ke degree course, ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Kibahiyang Samla David Osmond Lyngdoh Tron ubala alpunris nam kerta ubashong ubasa hakashnong Umlyngka apa Shillong kila pentip syaki pulit ka Jalupara outpost halor ka jingja jong u hadian ba uklang wan phashu shalayeng nadu ka porshi posteng minstem ka sautrik ujilio araja apunrio ka kemi jong uni Samla ka kong silver bell Lyngdoh Tron haka jing ujuar kala pentip syaki pulit ba ukhun jongka haka por ba uja upong da kapatlon rongyong ka sweatshirt rongyong bat ka juti puma lai thuru ba ukit ya ka playong bat ukup da ka tupiayong ki bahayeng kala kerpat ikinu ki bayoi ne ki beranjing tip shapang jong u ki pentip ha mobile number nyong rio sawnot pralai arlai sawnot bat prasan nyausan nyausaw iwe lai not.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.